Planning your first ever trip to Bali? You're in the right place. This is your complete step-by-step travel guide. No fluff, just everything you need from booking flights, getting your visa, local transport recommendations, best local apps, budget and luxury hotels, must-have equipment, and to epic experiences and hidden gems. Check the video description for the links and more details. Let's get you ready for the adventure of a lifetime. Let's go! Bali's got two moods: dry season from April to October, think beach days, volcano hikes, and tan lines. Wet season from November to March, still beautiful, just bring an umbrella and a sense of humor. Pro tip: aim for May, June, or September, the sweet spot. Great weather, fewer crowds, and your wallet will thank you. Finding cheap flights is like a sport. Use tools like Skyscanner, Hopper, or Google Flights. Flying from Asia? Check out AirAsia, Scoot, or Jetstar. From the US or Europe? Qatar Airways, Emirates, and Singapore Airlines will get you there smoothly. Land at Ngurah Rai International Airport, right in Denpasar. Welcome to paradise. Most travelers can grab a visa on arrival for $35 USD. It's good for 30 days, and yes, you can extend it. Here's what you'll need: a passport valid for 6+ months, proof of onward or return flight, and $35 card or cash. Check video description for the link to review visa requirements. Trust me, bookmark it. Future you will appreciate it. After landing, breeze through immigration, grab your bag, and resist the urge to hop in an overpriced airport taxi. Instead, use apps like Grab, Gojek, or Bluebird. They're legit and metered. Or, for peace of mind, pre-book a ride on Klook or Get Your Guide, especially if you're landing late or feeling jet-lagged. Staying connected in Bali is easy. Grab a Telkomsel or XL Axiata SIM, 25 to 30 gigabytes for around $7 to $10. If you're traveling with friends or a partner, a pocket Wi-Fi is a smart move. Rent it at the airport or online and share the data love. To get around like a local, download Grab or Gojek for rides, food, and even massages. Maxim is super budget-friendly. Google Maps works great offline, and Move It is handy for public transport, though Bali isn't big on buses. Thinking of renting a scooter? It's fun, cheap, and gives you ultimate freedom, but bring an international driving permit or risk getting fined. Bali has some seriously awesome budget stays. Cozy, clean, and under $40 per night. Whether you're a solo traveler, a couple, or even a small group, there's something for everyone. From hostels to homestays, Bali offers a variety of affordable options that don't compromise on comfort or style. In Canggu Kos 1 Hostel, perfect for solo travelers. This hostel is known for its vibrant social scene and modern amenities, making it a great place to meet new people and explore the local area. The Bed by the Sea for sunset chasers. Located near the beach, this hostel offers stunning ocean views and a relaxed atmosphere, ideal for those who love to unwind by the sea. In Ubud in Dalaj jungle vibes. Nestled in the lush greenery of Ubud, this hostel provides a serene escape with a touch of adventure, perfect for nature lovers. Gudama Homestay, traditional and peaceful. Experience the local culture and hospitality in this charming homestay, offering a tranquil retreat in the heart of Ubud. In Seminyak Grandma's Plus Hotel, fun and funky. This hotel combines modern design with a lively atmosphere, making it a popular choice for those looking to enjoy the vibrant nightlife of Seminyak. M Boutique Hostel, stylish on a budget. With its chic decor and comfortable facilities, this hostel offers a luxurious feel without breaking the bank. Check Agoda, Booking.com, or Hostel World, and filter by reviews, location, and your vibe. These platforms make it easy to find the perfect budget accommodation that suits your needs and preferences, ensuring a memorable stay in Bali. Now, if you're here to treat yourself, maybe a honeymoon, anniversary, or just because, Bali is the perfect destination. This island paradise offers some of the most luxurious and breathtaking hotels in the world. Imagine waking up to the sound of waves crashing or the sight of lush green jungles right outside your window. Whether you're looking for a romantic getaway or a lavish retreat, Bali has it all. Bali has some next-level luxury. From stunning beachfront properties to secluded jungle retreats, the options are endless. Each hotel offers unique experiences and top-notch amenities that will make your stay unforgettable. Expect prices from $150 to over $1,000 per night depending on season and sparkle. Top picks include some of the most renowned names in the hospitality industry. Four Seasons Resort Bali at Sian, surrounded by jungle in Ubud. This resort offers a serene escape with its lush surroundings and impeccable service. It's a haven for those looking to reconnect with nature without sacrificing luxury. The Edge Bali Clifftop Glam in Uluwatu. Perched on a dramatic cliff, this resort offers stunning ocean views and a sense of exclusivity. It's perfect for those who want to feel on top of the world. The Mulia Beachfront Elegance in Nusa Dua. Known for its opulent design and world-class facilities, the Mulia is a favorite among those who seek both luxury and comfort by the sea. W Bali Seminyak for that party meets luxury lifestyle. This hotel is the epitome of vibrant energy and sophisticated style, making it ideal for those who want to enjoy Bali's nightlife without compromising on luxury. Capella Ubud Glamping, but make it luxury. Experience the great outdoors with all the comforts of a five-star hotel. It's an adventure and a retreat rolled into one. You won't want to leave. Seriously. Each of these hotels offers a unique slice of paradise, ensuring that your stay in Bali is nothing short of extraordinary. So go ahead, indulge yourself in the luxury that Bali has to offer. After a day of adventuring, nothing hits like a Balinese massage. Think floral scents, soft music, and total bliss. Try Bodyworks in Seminyak, Ubud traditional spa family-run and heartwarming. Goldus Kangoo, yes, they use 24-karat gold in their facials. The Yoga Barn, a full mind-body experience in Ubud. You'll float out feeling brand new. Your taste buds are in for a ride. Bali is a foodie's dream. Try nasi goreng or mie goreng, fried rice or noodles, babi guling, spicy roast pork, satay lilit, skewered and seasoned fish, smoothie bowls. Yes, they're everywhere, and yes, they're worth it. Must-visit spots, Crate Cafe in Kangoo, Zest in Ubud, a vegan heaven, Warung Baya Baya, local and legendary. Bali is packed with unforgettable experiences. From its lush landscapes to its vibrant culture, there's something for everyone. Whether you're an adventure seeker, a culture enthusiast, or just looking to relax, Bali has it all. Here's your ultimate activity list to make the most of your Bali trip. Bali Swing, an iconic Instagram moment. Swing high above the jungle and capture breathtaking photos that will make your friends envious. Mount Batur Sunrise Trek, tough, but worth it. Start your hike early and be rewarded with a stunning sunrise view that will leave you speechless. Sacred Monkey Forest. They're cute, but guard your snacks. Wander through this lush forest and meet the playful monkeys that call it home. Tanah Lot and Uluwatu Temple's Sunset Goals. These iconic temples offer some of the most picturesque sunset views in Bali. Snorkeling at Nusa Penida manta rays and crystal clear water. Dive into the vibrant underwater world and swim alongside majestic manta rays. Teganungan and Sekumpul waterfalls, pure magic. These stunning waterfalls are perfect for a refreshing dip or a scenic photo op. Kikak fire dance, culture and chills. Experience the mesmerizing traditional dance that tells a captivating story through fire and rhythm. Tagalalang rice terraces. Walk among the emerald layers. These iconic terraces offer a serene escape and a glimpse into Bali's agricultural heritage. Bali is deeply spiritual. Every temple visit is a privilege. A few things to remember. Wear a sarong, usually provided. Don't point your feet at altars. Always use your right hand to give or receive. Don't touch people's heads. It's sacred. And always take off your shoes before entering homes or temples. A little respect goes a long way here. Want a real cultural experience? Time your trip with a festival. Nyepi, the Balinese Day of Silence in March. No flights, no lights, no noise. It's a total reset, powerful and unforgettable. Galungan and Kuningan every 210 days. Think offerings, bamboo poles, traditional dress. It's vibrant and sacred. Bali Arts Festival, mid-June to mid-July. A full month of dance, food, music, and creativity. Don't leave these behind. Future you will thank you. Travel insurance, power adapter, Type-C or F-SIM ejector tool, lightweight rain jacket, flip-flops and sneakers, sunscreen and bug spray, international driving permit, offline maps and translate app, reusable water bottle, passport copy and your return ticket. And of course, your sense of adventure. That's your full Bali game plan. If this helped you out, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, so we can create more guides like this to make your trip unforgettable, and let us know in the comments. What's the one thing you cannot wait to do in Bali? We're Let's Travel Vibes. Check video description for the links and more details.